welcome to Olivia's World and Nana's World
And
Mateo's World. Hey, hey, hey. Today, guys, is Livy's birthday. She is 6 years old.
Now we have, for example, we have
Okay, hold on. But
this
first,
line.
really quickly, I got to tell them, Livy Lou, what we're doing.
making slime.
Yeah, we're making slime today per Olivia's request for her birthday. Birthday girl. Hi. So anyway, she wanted to make some slime, so she's gonna teach me how to make it. This is a final product. Look at that slime. Ooey gooey. Yes. Loving that.
You guys, and we're going to show you the instructions.
Get it.
So, we have poured in all the glue, add baking soda.
I've never
and
made
then-
slime before, so
and
I need your help.
then, and then
Okay,
the activator.
let's get started. What's the first thing? This one first, Livy?
Yes.
Okay, this is the
Mommy.
glitter.
Mommy.
Show them real quickly. You gotta show
It's
them.
not glitter.
It is glitter.
It's not, it's glue.
Girl, I'm about to get papaws on your birthday. Better
It's
settle
glitter glue.
down. Glitter
So,
glue.
we're going to pour all of it
Pour it in. Yes. Oh, yeah. Ooh, girl, get it. We're pouring it in. Yes. Guys, this is so exciting. I've never made slime before.
And that's actually true.
This is
Me
mine.
and Mateo have made slime before.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I've never made
we
it.
made
though.
slime
They're
before.
teaching me. They're the expert slime makers. What can we say?
You don't want to put it all the activator.
You don't want to put it all. Oh my goodness, this is so fun.
It will
Love
be
this
over-activated.
slime. Okay, so we put that in.
Next.
What's next?
The baking soda.
Okay, we got our measuring
No.
spoon.
What? Measuring.
Oh, I think I just. I think the small one that we need just flew.
Because you did that.
Okay, sister.
She found it.
I can't see.
Around it.
That one.
This one. No, this one right here. Okay, it says add half a tablespoon. That's not half.
You're gonna do the half of it though.
Okay, this is this is 1/4. Okay, we're gonna do half of this because this is 1 tablespoon. So let's just do half. We gotta show them what we're doing.
I get to
This is
pour.
baking
Me and
soda.
Mateo
Oh, not
get
that
to
much.
help
Is
pour
that
it.
half? You
Yeah.
think? Okay, that's half of that.
Come on.
Okay. Oh, thank the Lord for these instructions. 1 1/4 tablespoons of contact lens solution. What? It's like they be creating this stuff. What
Mom,
are
we
we
need a
making?
spoon. We need a spoon.
Okay, this is a 1/4, so you could do one of these.
I ate a video.
And you can do one of these, right, Lolo? One of these and one of these. Okay, so let's pour some. Are you ready, Livy? Look at this. This is contact solution. Is it open, Sister Real?
No.
Oh, what? Oh, is it like a, I don't know.
Acrylic.
Okay. Oh, yeah. That's a good idea. Let's just open this bad boy up like this.
No. Yeah, you do that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, the lid. Gotta get the lid open.
If you know how to make slime well, you just pour it in. You just push it in there.
Are you guys, oh, that's not enough.
You don't
You need
wanna,
the whole thing, right, Lori?
No. You don't want to overactivate it.
Okay, just try that and see what happens.
Okay, just one? That's, okay.
You never made
You feel one of those things.
Yeah,
not
no,
looking at
she
the
told me
ingredients.
just a drop.
Okay.
You don't want
Okay,
to
one whole thing.
overactivate
Okay,
it.
more.
No.
Olivia,
One
no
whole
screaming at
thing.
the, baby, I'm gonna get papaws for that.
Ooh,
Olivia,
Okay.
Keep going.
That's like a drop.
I don't want to pour. Don't pour all of it.
Okay.
Stop.
Hey, settle down,
You're
settle
gonna
down.
make it too
I know it's your birthday, but let's not go crazy. Okay,
No
so,
more stuff.
oh, that's it. Okay,
Show 'em
mix.
though, show 'em.
Now show them what it looks like, Livy. See that? We don't want to overactivate it, okay, guys? Let's
Now we're
not.
gonna mix.
Oh wait, there was more in here.
Don't pour it all in there.
You don't need it all.
Silly.
Okay, go ahead.
Here,
Just start
help.
stirring it up.
Liv can help. Mommy, we need more baking soda.
Oh, you do? Oh,
Remember,
Stir it up.
because we have
Liv,
to knead
why don't you
it.
stir it up first?
Do you want help, Liv? Yeah. Okay.
Stir it up.
Oh.
Stir it up.
I'll
Stir
hold
it
it.
up. Stir it up. Yes,
Mama,
guys.
Mama,
This, for
well, we
those of
have
you
to
who
knead
don't
it.
know, this is the new hype in the neighborhood, on the town square.
People love slime.
People love slime. There's just
It's a
something.
big hit.
It's a
It's just
huge.
But a bigger hit is Fortnite, which I don't play.
Okay, girly, let's settle down.
Mommy,
So,
do we have to
tell me,
knead
guys, for all the kids out there, what is your guys' favorite color of slime to make?
Oh,
Kale,
obviously
what's
green.
yours? Green, obviously green. Livy, what's your favorite color to make?
Blue.
Blue. Wow.
It's yours.
My favorite is purple because purple is my favorite color.
Same
And
as
I
my mom.
Yeah, and I love pink too.
Sorry.
Okay, did we get it?
That's what happens.
Okay, what do you need to add more of? I don't think we added enough contacts. What?
Solution.
This? Okay, let's see. I think we need to add some more of this baking soda. Let's see how that works for us. Okay, girl, trying to nurse on my YouTube video? None of that. Stir it up. Look at that, guys. We're stirring. We're stirring. Slime power. Share this with all your guys' kids. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. This is Nana's World. We need to get to 100 subscribers. So make sure you tell all your friends, all your families, tell your kids. I don't know if they're on YouTube, tell them to subscribe to me. Okay, is that good, guys, or what do you guys think?
No, yeah, but oh yeah.
Ooh, look at
Now
ooey
she's
gooey,
gotta
ooey
knead
gooey.
it.
Okay.
Now you have to
what
push it.
happened?
No, it's super sticky.
Add more baking soda.
Okay, let's add some more baking soda.
Can I pour it in?
Obviously, all I have to say is this. Obviously, Auntie Nana did not read the directions very good. This is hard.
And she doesn't know how to make slime.
Girl, this is a workout for 2019, if you know what I mean.
It's not 2019, it's 2018.
Almost, though. Look at how awesome. I think my slime looks pretty good.
And now you have to push it down with your hands.
Okay, now I'm...
Take it to the hub.
I don't...
Now you have
Okay.
to push it down with your hands. And
Now we're going to knead it.
don't need it.
I'm going to need this. I'm about to get this real good.
Don't do that!
I'm sorry.
You're gonna make it stick to the
Okay,
table.
I'm ending this video because we do not have kids who act like
Do
this.
it, do it, do it, do it. Pick up that. Pick it up. No.
Okay.
You're gonna mess up the slime.
You can't
When you
mess
do
up
that.
slime.
You can mess up slime only if you put it on carpet.
Okay, I'm kneading it. Look at that.
You actually push it down with your hands.
Well, no, I'm not allowed to put it on a table because then she starts crying. But I mean, this is pretty much the same thing as kneading it.
Okay,
Right.
here's the deal. Why don't we just do another video?
No!
Look at our slime, guys.
It's not slime yet. Yeah, it is. No, it's not. You still have to knead it.
Well, guess what, Livia?
You
This
have
is
to
as good
knead
as it's gonna get.
No,
girl.
you still have to knead it. You no.
Okay, you need it. You need it. You need
I'll
it.
knead it.
Okay, you guys show me. What does kneading mean? I don't know what that means.
Let
I'm
me
not a
show
baker. Okay, I'm not a baker. I don't know what that means.
This is what it means.
Come in the video. They can't see you.
It's getting super the camera. Ow.
This is slime.
Which you'll make a little bit of it.
What formula?
No. Baking
Okay.
soda, contact solution, and glue.
Okay. Okay. In my video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys.
Subscribe to